Okay, so I'm doing this, and I think I have this set now. Will record good in my Logic. Let me see. Recording here in Logic. At times I sit in a home alone. I can't get outside anymore because the things I've done in my past. You see, I'm regretting the things I did simply because the life I live now, I live as a prisoner. I live as a prisoner here in this place. I used to once love this place, this house of mine, with the wood and the walls and the floors and the doors and the kitchen and the rooms, the love that was made in the rooms with the woman I loved, but then she left. She's gone now, see? It's just myself here in the memories. Sometimes, if I feel up to it, I walk from the chair on which I sit and I look out a window, and out the window I'll see a tree coming from the ground. From the tree that's in the ground I see a branch, and in the branch there's a bird, and the bird lives freely out there in the branch. The bird's life won't be that long, but it's free. Even if it's but a year, it's a year of complete freedom. That bird shall live free, flying through the air, never held down, never stuck in a prison like I am. One day, as I looked out the window upon the tree that was connected to the branch, the bird turned and looked at me, and in that moment I knew that little bird felt sorry for me. It felt so bad for me stuck down in that home. I need to get out. Please, don't be mad at me for things I've done. I need to get out. Please, let me out of here. I need to get out. I'm dying in here. Somebody, please, let me out. I'm dying. So I'm just listening to see how that sounds. It's one flat line, but I set it down. I have my settings now for it. Let me turn it up. There's no static at all. I can't get outside anymore because the things I've done in my past, you see. I'm regretting the things I did simply because the life I live now, I live as a prisoner. I live as a prisoner here in this place. I used to once love this place, this house of mine, with the wood and the walls and the floors and the doors and the kitchen and the rooms, the love that was made in the rooms with the woman I loved, but then she left. She's gone now, see? It's just myself here in the memories. Sometimes, if I feel up to it, I walk from the chair on which I sit and I look out a window. And out the window I see a tree coming from the ground. From the tree that's in the ground I see a branch, and in the branch is a bird. And the bird lives freely out there in the branch. The bird's life won't be that long, but it's free. Even if it's but a year, it's a year of complete freedom. That bird shall live free, flying through the air, never held down, never stuck in a prison like I am. One day, as I looked out the window upon the tree that was connected to the branch, the bird turned and looked at me. In that moment I knew that little bird felt sorry for me. It felt so bad for me stuck down that home. I need to get out. Please, don't be mad at me for things I've done. I need to get out. Please, let me out of here. I need to get out. I'm dying in here. Somebody, please, let me out. I'm dying. So that sounds pretty clear, man. I know now that I have to set it, the audio. I just set it to, I'm proud of that. I just set it to, I mean, audio has to be set to, well, it's got to be set to general. Nope. What the hell's the audio? Oh, wrong thing. Hang on, let me see. I just set the settings, recording. Nope, still wrong. General. I don't know how I did it. I set it in something. Let me see here. I have it written down, but let me see. General? Audio. Okay, I set the audio to my speakers, obviously the output, but input, I have system setting, Scarlett, USB, or Logic Brio. I have to set the Scarlett Solo, then 128 buffer size, and then it sounds pretty good, you know. Let me wonder what it sounds like if I listen to it from out of here. Let me see. Do I have it saved? This is probably boring to you guys, but let me see. It sounds like through QuickTime. I can't.
I'm going to listen to it through QuickTime. Let me see if I can listen to it through iTunes. See if it sounds, if it's got static. Well, I'm not playing through iTunes. That's odd. It will not play through iTunes. That's weird. Oh, it's the MP3. That's probably why. My stomach's making sounds. Anyway, I think it sounds pretty good. You know, there's no
Oh.
I
sit here every day in this house in this prison.
What the hell is it? Oh.
I can't go outside. I'm stuck here. You see. Sometimes, if I can, I get up from the chair at which I sit, and I walk slowly over to the window and I look out, and I see the grass blowing in the breeze, and I envy the grass.
I can hear a little bit of static, but not as much as I could.
One day I looked upon a tree.
So I'm proud of that, man. So I know that setting, so that's at least good. I can get that set to right there, and I can hear it like that. So that makes me happy, because first, if some of the demos I uploaded on voices, you could hear it, but yeah, I think it's pretty good, man. Thank you guys for going with me through this journey, and I love you guys, man.